Hi everyone, Keith Haddock, Avalanche Educator and Backcountry Guide. I'd like to talk to you about the Ortovox Diract Voice Transceiver and our preseason maintenance check as we head into winter. To start, we have our user manual, great resource, your USB-C charge cord, the holster, and our transceiver. To get started, I like to make sure my charge cord's in good working order, it's not split or cracked. Again, with my holster, I like to check the fabric, the buckles, make sure the elastic lanyard is still strong and going to hold your beacon. And from there, we'll grab our transceiver. And it's good to keep them washed and keep grease off them, and then give them a good inspection to make sure there's no cracks or damages to the housing from last season's ride. And with that, I like to make sure from prolonged summer storage that I fully charge it, and then throughout the season I'll stick to my manufacturer's recommended charging cycle. So to get started, let's turn it on, press and hold 2 seconds, and we're looking for all the lights, display, reference numbers, and battery life to come up. And once we've done that and we're sure that everything's working good on the display, we're going to need a partner or a secondary transceiver to test our systems. And once we have one up and running, you can go ahead and go into search mode, and then assure that you're searching other beacons with a level of accuracy in the numbers on your display. And once you know you can search for other beacons, go into transmit, use the other beacon to make sure you can be found, and that'll complete your systems check that you can search and transmit. Now, once you've done all of that, I advise that you download the Ortovox app on your iPhone or Android, and this lets you connect Bluetooth to do seasonal software updates, change any settings on your device, and register for warranty. All great things to do. Now, once you've gone through and inspected all your equipment, Beacon Shovel Pro, backpacks, go ahead and get out there in a good safe area and refresh your rescue skills. Get to know your equipment, practice up, and make for a good safe season, and we'll see you out there. Enjoy the ride.